guys, Heena here. I am back with another video. Now 2 years ago I made a video called the 5 dumbest celebrity Photoshop fails, and I'm doing it again. So I decided to put my detective hat on and I'm gonna find these Photoshop fails. Now before we start the video, if you haven't already, remember to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, because we are so close to 5,000 subscribers. So it'll be so helpful if you could subscribe, and let's get on with the video. So the first Photoshop fail is by Ariana Grande, and it took me a while to notice this fail, but like once you notice it, you can't unnotice it. And like I'll put the picture up here so you guys can see it, and like let me know if you guys spotted it straight away, and if you haven't, then I'll tell you the answer right now. This picture looks like a very nice picture, but it's a very nice picture, but just look at Ariana Grande's hand. You noticed it? Yeah, it's very, very large, and like I was zooming into it, I was like, wow, like Ariana Grande is quite small in height, and I'm like, how does she have such massive hands? But you know, maybe this isn't a Photoshop fail, but if you compare it to her other hand, it looks a bit dodgy to me. Like I don't know what is going on here, like why her hands are so big, but maybe it's like some new type of style where you like, it's good to have big hands, but I don't know if it suits her. But yeah, I mean, debatable, to be honest, debatable. But I still love Ariana Grande. She's amazing, her songs are amazing. Give a thumbs up if she's amazing. So the next Photoshop fail is quite an obvious one. This is by Selena Gomez, Disney Channel, Selena Gomez. And this one is quite an obvious one because just look at the door frame, it just doesn't look right. Like door frames are meant to be straight. This one is some type of wavy somehow. I don't know, maybe door frames come in that particular way, but not door frames that I know of. I don't know what type of Photoshop the editors are trying to do here. Like maybe they're trying to adjust her shoulders or something like that. I'm really not sure on how the door frame has gone like that, but that was a really, really obvious Photoshop. At least when you're trying to do a Photoshop, just don't make it that obvious. Now the next one is our boy Jake Paul. Jake Paul is everyday bro. Now this Photoshop fail is from the Jake Paul versus Deji fight. I think this was like a promo picture, but like if you zoom into Jake Paul's shoulder, his shoulder has become transparent. The background is blending in with his shoulder. Like I think he's trying to make his shoulder look much bigger, but that was just an obvious Photoshop fail. Okay, so the next Photoshop fail is by our Queen Beyonce. Like I don't know why she's trying to Photoshop, or her editors are trying to Photoshop, because she's amazing. Like I don't know why, like I don't know why. So in this picture it looks like quite a normal picture, like she's looking good as always, but just look at the stairs where her thigh gap is. Yep, it's not straight. The stairs are wonky. I mean, I don't know why. Maybe she's trying to make her thigh gap like more bigger, but I don't know, but like it just looks off. Like you can it's really obvious when you see it, and you're like, why, like she's perfect, no, why? Now our next Photoshop fail is by Kris Jenner. Now Kris Jenner is pretty funny, you guys have got to admit that, but in this picture she takes it way over the line. Now this picture is with Gordon Ramsay and Kris Jenner, and Gordon Ramsay, you guys know him, he has a lot of wrinkles on his forehead, and if you compare like the before and after pictures, yeah, his wrinkles have suddenly, I mean, been like blended in or like been smoothened out. Now our next Photoshop fail is by Taylor Swift. Now I don't know why Taylor Swift gets a lot of hate. Like she's amazing, I love her voice, I love her songs, even though I don't think she's released a new song right now, but I still love her. Like I love her songs, honestly. Love Song, that song is a banger. You guys know it's a banger. So in this picture it looks like Taylor Swift is on holiday with her pals, and yeah, I just said pals, don't judge me, with her friends, with her squad, with whatever you want to call it, but just look at the railing of the boat that they're in. Yes, it's not straight, because the railings I know, yeah, they're pretty straight to me. I mean, most of these Photoshop fails is because the door frame, the railing, the carpet, whatever you want to call it, they're not straight. Like just if you want to do a Photoshop, make them straight. Now our final Photoshop fail is from the Vogue magazine. Yes, you heard it correctly, the Vogue magazine. Now in this Photoshop fail, I did see it on Twitter and loads of people were pointing it out, and I was like, it's so funny like how bad it is. So in this one, just look at Gigi Hadid's hand. Like it's pretty long and her fingers are quite long. It's obvious that it is a Photoshop fail. Like it's like kind of like Ariana Grande's massive hand picture. Yeah, this one, yeah, no. No. So that is the end of this video, and the point of this video is if you want to do a Photoshop on a picture, go ahead and do it, but just don't make it so obvious. If you haven't already, remember to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and follow all of my social media. It should be here somewhere, and I will see you guys next week for a new video. Peace.